Today we're going to be making a deliciously decadent flourless chocolate cake. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some margarine to a large bowl. Then from there we're going to add some dark chocolate. Now I'm using a really good quality chocolate here and I'd like you to do the same. This recipe doesn't have many ingredients in it, so the ones that you put in should be really the best quality that you can afford. So we're going to add our chocolate and then we're just going to melt this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. You don't want to get this mixture too hot because it'll affect the other ingredients that we're putting in later. Okay, I think our chocolate should be ready. Oh, that looks just right. So we're going to mix this all together. Going to get that chocolate mixture nice and silky. And it's really important in this recipe that you add one ingredient at a time and really work it in each time before you move on to the next ingredient. All right, next we're going to move on to sugar. We're going to add some sugar to this. And now we're going to add some egg whites. Now, you probably noticed there's no flour so far going into this dish. That's what's going to make it very, very appealing to those of you with gluten allergies. Next, we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. And then we're going to add some vanilla extract. The last ingredient to go in is our double dose of chocolate. So we're going to add some cocoa powder. Now I'm going to use a sifter to get the cocoa powder in here because I want this mixture to be silky smooth. And that's exactly how our finished cake is going to come out. It is going to be this really thin, dense chocolate dessert that's this smooth and creamy inside. Oh my goodness, this just looks divine. All right, so our mixture is ready for a pan. To prepare our pan, first spray with nonstick cooking spray. Then you're going to add a piece of parchment paper that's been cut out in a circle the shape of the bottom of your pan. And you're just going to press that on there like that. This is going to prevent our cake from sticking to the bottom, and it's going to make it easier for the cake to lift out of the pan when it's done cooking. So now just pour that in there. You want to make sure to get all of that chocolate goodness in that pie plate. Now we're going to put this into a 375-degree oven for about 20-25 minutes. All right, so after about 20-25 minutes or until a thin crust has formed on the top, you're going to want to take it out of the oven and cool it down on a cooling rack. And then from there, I like to serve it with some confectioner's sugar and some fresh berries. And now you have this really delicious chocolate cake that's great for your gluten-free friends and a special occasion. I hope you enjoy it.